From birth till the age of 5, a child's brain develops more than at any other time in life. That is, almost 90% of the brain is developed while a child grows till the age of 5. Young Angels believes that a child should be the epicenter of every educational model. A warm and a healthy greetings from Young Angels International Preschool. I, on behalf of Young Angels team, warmly welcomes you all for the induction program of this academic year 2020-2021. We have never thought of welcoming you all for the orientation meet in such a way, but it is aptly said that life is the best teacher. Today, I would like to discuss about our next curriculum framework, which is best suited for our little toons. For senior KG, Young Angels has chosen Primer B Tinker series. There are total 8 books in our resource kit, and each book is divided into English, number work, general awareness, stories and rhymes, and activity section. At the end of each book, we have learning outcome sheets which will be duly filled according to the child's evaluation. Book 1 is just a revision of previous year. The kids will be learning some new sight words, some pre-math concepts, hands-on activities, body parts, and some basic manners. Let me elaborate on the first topic, that is English. In English, we have recap of alphabets A to Z, both in uppercase and lowercase. The next topic in English, we have sight words. Then first letter and last letter of the word, and 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. In number work segment, we will cover pre-math concepts like same and different, heavy and light, few and many, full and empty, long and short. Taking pre-math concepts as a medium, Young Angel focuses on certain skills like observation, problem solving, language, spatial sense, classification, and many more. Then we have numbers from 1 to 50. Moving ahead, we will cover basic shapes like circle, square, oval, semicircle, rectangle. After that, we have the basic primary colors and secondary colors. Moving on to the next division of book 1, we have general awareness. Herein we will cover the topics like various stages of growth, different body parts, sense organs, and their uses. Next, we'll move on to the magical words like thank you, you are welcome, may I, excuse me, and please. In book 1, the kids will get to know the merits and demerits of healthy food and unhealthy food, and they will also learn basic good habits like getting up early in the morning, brushing their teeth twice a day, taking bath, doing prayers. These are the topics that are covered in book 1 under general awareness. In book 1, we have the further division like stories and rhymes. In rhymes, we will cover Tommy Thumb is Up and We Shall Overcome. and the story is The Blue Jackal. Under activity section, we have fingerprinting, painting same and different objects, painting different shapes, coloring with primary colors, and pasting the pictures of various body parts. This is a gist and a review of Book 1. To enhance the gross motor skills, fine motor skills, and creativity of a child, Rung Angels has introduced art and craft section into its curriculum. Practice makes a man perfect. So, to give more practice to a child, we have 3 books. For Hindi, we have 2 books, Adharika Part A and Part B. We have coloring books. We also have assessment books, and at the last, we have a learning outcome page wherein a child will be evaluated according to his performance. Thank you.